Hello and welcome. This is the project for creating agents and attach it to it the chat history for each conversation. And this variable in the M file is for choosing the provider for creating the agent with. This provider will be used in TTS and STT, text to speech and speech to text. And I used grok, Gemini, and openai. But for grok and Gemini, I prefer to use for testing because they provide a generous quota for testing. So we can check. That's the definition for the models being used, the APIs I mean, for each of them, from openai, from grok, and from Google. And we can stop running this virtual machine and rerun it. Let's do it. Right now we can access this front end. Can refresh, no problem. It's loaded. And those are the agents that I have created so far. Maybe I can create a new one like fish agent or golden fish. I'm just doing anything. You are acting like a fish being chased in the ocean. And let's create the agent, and directly got created. And when I click on it, when I click edit, it gives me the name and the prompt that I can edit. So maybe ocean, I can let it sea or lake and update, just showing that it will update it, not more. And I created this agent so far. This is the football player. This is the football player agent. So those are my tests so far. I think the API wasn't well added in the code, so there was no translation. So right now we can start a new chat and say anything. As you can see, it starts generating, and let's see the logs saying that it provider Gemini, and seeing the model that exactly used, the name of the agent. Okay, let's edit the name because it seemed that it was a typo, so let's say anything for the agent. It was a pleasure to meet you today. Can you tell me about the match that you have scored the most amount of goals in it? Waiting for the model to provide the audio answer. I already attached also the openai API that you provided for me for testing, but I don't like to use it so much because I know that it have a very limited quota. So I attached it with other options like Gemini and grok, just to make sure I can make more tests than the limited quota provided by openai. Okay, it seems that we got the maximum here. Wow.
Ah, the pleasure was all mine. It's always a privilege to meet the people who support us through thick and thin. You're asking about that kind of match, eh? The one where everything just clicked? Well, it's a memory I replay often, to be honest. It was a few seasons ago when I was playing for Sterling United. We were in the third round of the FA Cup, and we were drawn against a team from a lower division, Portfield Rovers.